Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 3 Birbal the Wise of our course book. As all of you know, who was Birbal? Birbal was one of the most important courtiers of King Akbar's court. Yes, now let's start reading. Once, Emperor Akbar was not in a very good mood. Birbal, his most intelligent minister, tried to cheer him up. However, the emperor became very angry and ordered Birbal to leave the palace forever. First of all, minister. What is the meaning of minister? Minister, a very important person of king's court. And cheer means to make happy. Once King Akbar was in a bad mood and his intelligent minister Birbal tried to make him happy, but the king became very angry and he ordered Birbal to leave the palace. Soon afterwards, Akbar realized his mistake. He was sad. He missed his favorite minister. He sent out messengers to find Birbal and bring him back to the palace. But Birbal could not be found anywhere. Now, when King Akbar ordered Birbal to leave the palace, he became very sad. जब किंग अकबर ने बीरबल को पैलेस से निकाल दिया तो वो बहुत सैड हो गए. And he sent out his messengers. Messengers are those people who carry messages. He sent out his messengers to find out बीरबल. उन्होंने अपने मैसेंजर्स को भेजा बीरबल को ढूंढकर लाओ. But they couldn't found बीरबल anywhere. The emperor now needed someone to take Birbal's place. The new minister had to be as intelligent as Birbal. So he called all the wise men of the city to his court to test them. None of them was found to be good enough. Now King Akbar wanted someone to take Birbal's place, but he wanted that the man should be as intelligent as Birbal. So he called all the intelligent men of his city and he wanted to test them. One day, a teacher and his two students came to the royal court. The teacher was dressed in dirty and torn clothes, but his students declared that he was more intelligent and witty than Birbal. Now, look here, declared. Declared means said very strongly and firmly. And witty, what is the meaning of witty? Witty means quick to reply. One day, a teacher with his two students came to the King Akbar's court. The teacher was wearing very dirty and torn clothes. The teacher's clothes were very dirty and torn. Torn means फटे हुए. टीचर के जो clothes थे वो बहुत ही dirty थे. But his students told that the teacher was more intelligent than Birbal. Now Akbar asked his ministers to test the teacher's wisdom. Now Akbar said to his ministers that they should test the teacher's wisdom. Now turn over the page. Yes, look here. The teacher accepted the challenge and said, I do not claim to be wise. Even then, I am ready for the test. The minister started asking him questions and he answered them wisely. Now, the teacher accepted the challenge and he said that he doesn't consider himself very intelligent. Still, he is ready for the test. टीचर ने कहा कि वो अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट एंड वाइज नहीं समझते हैं. Still, he is ready for the test. Now, the ministers began to ask the teacher some questions and the teacher replied them with very intelligently. Now, their first question was, who is the greatest emperor on earth? Emperor Akbar, of course. Now, the minister's first question was that who is the greatest king on earth? The teacher replied, King Akbar. Their next question was, what is the most beautiful sound? सबसे ज़्यादा beautiful sound किसकी है? The teacher replied, a baby's laughter. एक छोटे बच्चे की हंसी. Now, their third question was, what travels faster than the wind? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो हवा से भी तेज चलती है? The teacher replied, light. Their next question was, what is the sweetest thing on earth? The teacher replied, honey. Now, it was Akbar's turn to question him. Who or what is the most dangerous enemy of a king? His bad temper. Now, Akbar wanted to question him. And what did Akbar ask? Akbar asked to the teacher, what is the most dangerous enemy of a king? एक किंग के लिए सबसे ज्यादा डेंजरस एनिमी कौन है? The teacher replied, his bad temper. Temper means nature. The king's bad nature is the most dangerous enemy of a king. Now, Akbar was happy with the teacher's answers. He decided to make him a minister in his court. However, Akbar wanted to test him with one last question. Now, Akbar was very happy with that teacher and he decided to make him a minister in his court. But he wanted to ask him one last question. Can you perform miracles? Akbar asked. What is miracles? The meaning of miracles is some good happenings that cannot be explained. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें, कुछ ऐसी घटनाएं जिन्हें हम एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हैं और जिन्हें हम चमत्कार कहते हैं. अकबर ने टीचर से पूछा कि क्या आप कोई चमत्कार कर सकते हो? Why not? replied the teacher. टीचर ने कहा, बिल्कुल मैं कर सकता हूँ. Then sir, can you bring back my minister Birbal? Yes, of course. That is very easy. So, Akbar asked to the teacher, can you bring back my minister Birbal? Then the teacher replied, yes, of course. With these words, the teacher pulled off his false beard and hair. He quickly removed his dirty clothes. It was Birbal himself. और ये कहते हुए उस टीचर ने अपनी फॉल्स बेड और अपनी फॉल्स हेयर निकाल दिए एंड जल्दी से उसने अपने डर्टी क्लोथ्स हटाए. एंड हु वाज द टीचर? द टीचर वाज बीरबल. बीरबल, इट इज यू? एम्परर अकबर exclaimed with surprise. I should have known. Now, King Akbar was very surprised to see Birbal. And he was very happy too, because the teacher himself was Birbal. Now, I hope that all of you have understood this story very well. Thank you and have a nice day.